Many patients come and ask what's the difference between a surgical liposuction and cool sculpting. So let me explain to you. Cool sculpting is a non-surgical procedure. It is helpful in localized pads of fat where you have like a bulge somewhere like on your tummy or as a bra roll or a banana roll, which it works very well. Also works extremely well in double chin. You're basically freezing the fat cells then break and they are removed from the body. Cool Sculpt works well for external fat, that is the fat which is present below the skin, which is the soft, mushy kind of fat, like when you press it, it penetrates as in it dips down. That's the kind of fat which it works well. It doesn't work on a fat which is at the visceral level, that is which is present behind the muscle or which is present, as you can see in this picture, which is present behind the muscle or in between the organs. So a good candidate for Cool Sculpt is someone who has subcutaneous fat, which is a superficial fat, and not the one which has got a visceral fat. So these are the pictures which you can make out. This lady has superficial fat and this person has visceral fat, which is like the beer belly, which you can see, which will not go with Cool Sculpting, nor will it go with liposuction, because liposuction and Cool Sculpting work only on the upper layer of the fat, which is the superficial fat. The best way to see whether the fat will go or not is make the patient suck in the tummy. If the diameter or if the tummy goes in, that means it will help. The results will be as much as how much the tummy can go in. If it doesn't go in too much, that means you have more of visceral fat, and that can only be taken care of with the help of medications or with your diet.